How to add video in Wix Studio. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a video into your Wix Studio website. The process and the specific, let's say, procedure for this tutorial is going to be very simple, very easy. You're going just to need to follow up the steps that I'm going to show you in this video and you are going to be good to go. Now, the objective or the goal from adding a specific video or any type of video into a Wix Studio website is going to be to attract the attention of the visitors or the clients, depending on the website type that you have. So, with visual attraction, you're going to get surely an interaction or something that is going to change maybe the psychology of buying things or onto your website, because if you're going to use a video, that is going to be either if it is going to be something that you're going to explain, something that you're going to advertise for, or something that you're going to promote. For example, you can go ahead and make things clear with a video, and that is going to be the easiest way to put the learnings. And that is the case if you're going to have a course platform. If you're going to sell products, you need to add videos to convince the clients. Now, without a further ado, we are going to head over our Wix.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to see the site's, as you can see, dashboard. Now, we are going to select the website that has the built-on Wix Studio label, which is like that, and also like this. And you're going to select and edit that website. If you do not have a Wix Studio website, I highly recommend for you to create one, and you're going to click on site creation and try Wix Studio. And for more tutorials, you can check out our channel and you're going to see a lot of videos related to the Wix Studio, how you can create a website within Wix Studio and how you can afford or put things in there. So I'm going to select a Wix Studio website. We're going to wait for the dashboard of that website. And then we are going to select the edit site option. So we are going to wait for the Wix Studio, as you can see here, editor to open up. It is going to take here a little bit of time, between 30 to 45 seconds. So we are going to wait for it, then we are going to come back. So here we have our website loaded. Now we are going to navigate through the website. As you can see, we have each one of the elements in place. We're going to make sure that it has completely loaded all the component in here, because it is going to be a heavy editor, as you can notice. Now, what are we going to do is to start by adding a new section or an empty section. And that is going to help us set up the video player. So we are going to click on add section between two sections, or let's say here, different or independent sections. Now we're going to either add a designed section, which is going to be a section that we are going to find usually some videos or embedded, let's say, attractions to it. For example, we have the sections. So we're going to see product section here, as you can see, testimonials, banners. We have clicks, headers, and etc. So you can also use the media, which is going to be also a media for sections, and etc. Now I'm going to add an element, and from these elements we're going to head over media again. So you can go ahead and use your uploads. As you can see, you can upload a media, use it from Facebook's, Instagram, or all the social media. So also we have the images and the videos. So we have three type of videos or video players. We have single video players, we have video box, and we have transparent videos. So the transparent videos are not going to be our case for today, but we are going to use one of the twos here, single videos players or the video box. So for the single video player, we're going to have this player and add it in here. So we are going to have our player. I'm going to close our inspector real quick. We're going to put it to the center, and we can change the video, as you can see, by clicking on here on the change video, upload some content or change the video from here. You can put or integrate or embed a video from YouTube. You can go ahead and put the link from here, from Vimeo, from Facebook, Dailymotion, and Twitch. But here, for the upload, you're going only to have your upload from desktop. Now, you can go ahead and have some options for the playback options like auto plays and plays in loop. These are going to be something which is going to be necessary for this specific area. So we are going to put the video on auto plays and the plays in loop is going to be necessary. Why? Maybe the client is going to search or the let's say the audience will search on underneath or beneath the specific video or on the uppercase, and the video is going to be playing automatically, or it has, let's say, not expired but it has finished playing. So we are going to click on play on loop, so in case they are going to miss out some scenes, you're going to let them see it right there. Now you can also modify the layout, as you can see, of the video by showing the video title. For example, put it in here. Set up the play button size. You can go ahead and make it bigger or smaller. And also, when playing, controls show, for example, on hover or never. We better let them on hover. Now, aside from the specific, as you can see, layout, you can go ahead and connect it to CMS or set up a comment for yourself, of course, and you can also hide it. Now, that was for the video. And as you can see, we can go ahead and open up the inspector for that video player. You can add some animations and effects, or you can go ahead and set up the alignment or design of it. So, for example, you can control the size. You can either control it by the dots at each one of the corners and also the left and right, up and down, as you can see, sides. You can go ahead and set up the responsive behavior, for example, right there. You can go ahead and put it scale proportionally, a relative width, for example, fixed or stretched or whatever. For the design, you can go ahead and choose one of the cover images that you're going to see or set up. They can go ahead and be some thumbnails. So you can also open up or add your own one. So this is very good for the not the clickbait. I'm not going to call it clickbait, but I'm going to click it, name it client attraction. So you can go ahead and set up the fade out. Also, you can set up the fill color and opacity, the borders, the shadow, text, and etc. These are going to be set up in here for that specific video player. So we have the adjustment, the anchors, if you want to link it to a place, and etc. Now, let's talk about the second type of video player that we have, which is going to be the video box. So, here on the video box, you're going to have something like this, and these are going to be type of boxes that you're going to add. So, basically, you are going to have here some videos that we have or recommended from Wix Studio, or you can go ahead and click on more videos or upload your own video. And that is going to be a preset video. So when you are going to have something like this one added in here, it will be playing automatically. And as you can see, the design of the play button is going to be different. Also, we have some more, as you can see here, behavior. So we have here the settings. You can set up the video, and we have here also the alt text. We have the behavior right there of, for example, how does it start to play on click automatically or whatever. The loops, as you can see, the slow-mo, you can go ahead and play it in slow-mo, for example. And also you can enable or disable the sound. And that is a feature that we haven't into the video player in one. So we have also some masks. You can have here some masks added in here instead of setting up without the mask, and then it is going to play up. For the inspector, we are going to see the same things. Example, aside of the position that is going to be a little bit detailed in here, and then we have everything set up. So that was pretty much it for adding videos into the specific Wix Studio. You can go ahead and also have the single video player added right there by adding, for example, a YouTube link there directly from here. So we have two types of the single players. If I'm going to have here a YouTube directly, it is going to be a YouTube pre-made or embedded player like this. And here, for example, we have set up the things in here. That was pretty much it for today's video. You can go ahead and put these type of videos in any case or any section that you want. It is not going to be something very, let's say, hard. You're going to readjust it or crop it to whatever size that you want. and then you're going to have the right size set up, and after that you're going to put it in that section. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.